This question is fairly straightforward as long as you're familiar with what standard form of a polynomial means. And essentially, standard form of a polynomial means that in order from left to right of each term, the degree of each term is decreasing, starting with the highest degree to the lowest. And if you're not familiar with the term degree of a term, then another way of thinking about it is that it's the exponent, the value of the exponent in the variable. For example, 5x squared has a degree of 2. 6x would have a degree of 1 because that x has an exponent of 1. We just wouldn't write it. And constants, like the number 4, have a degree of 0. And that's because you could write 4 as the same thing as 4 multiplied by something to the power of 0, because anything to the power of 0 is just the same thing as 1. Anyway, getting a little sidetracked there, but essentially, standard form, terms in order of decreasing degrees, or the exponents. And it looks like Fred is the correct one. He's saying that the second and third polynomials are correct because the exponents are decreasing. We can see that's the case here. It goes from 3 to 1 to 0, and the third polynomial goes from 5 to 2 to 1. The first polynomial doesn't work because it goes from the fourth degree to first to second to 0. So that would not be in the correct form for it to be in standard form. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.